Hey guys, it is Stocklock Sunday. Let's find the lock. Where's the key? And just take the first one there on top. Alright, what do we have? We have a hero. Just a second here. There we go. A hero. And it is, let's see, the keyway. And the key. So, not the best key I have seen, but not the worst either. A little bit up and down. High-low, I mean. Yeah, it's some time ago I used those terms. Alright, let's see if we can get it open. It's a 6-pinner, I think, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's a 6-pinner. But just standard pins in this one, unlike the one I opened yesterday. Finally got that open. And let's see. There we go. Alright, it is a cheap lock. 2 out of 3 this weekend. That's something. More than I usually do open on a weekend. We can see if we can shim it. I think these would fit maybe. Okay, they are a bit too big. We need those there is a little bit smaller. Oh, get in frame. There. And there we go. It was not easy, but we did get it shimmed. So it is possible to shim. I am pretty sure it cannot be bypassed because it does have 2 functional locking balls. So we won't try that. But now shimmed and SPP'd open. We can also try some raking and rocking and sipping. Okay, let me see. Worm rake. No. City rake. Doesn't feel like it. And a W rake to sip with. Okay, that gets stuck. Let's try a half diamond then. Oh, there we go. I felt there was one overset pin and I just loosened the tension a tiny bit, and then that pin popped in and opened the lock. Which pin I don't know, but zipped, SPP'd and shimmed open. Not so good of a lock, but yeah, it did not open for rocking and raking though. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.